It's a pleasure to be back in Bengaluru for Aero India 2013. On behalf of the Government of India, I extend a warm welcome to all the distinguished delegates from across the world to this edition of Aero India this year. It is really encouraging to know that a large number of foreign delegations, including ministerial delegations, are attending this air show. The Indian aerospace sector is fast developing and is presently among the fastest expanding aerospace markets in the world. There is a lot of potential and scope for meeting the needs of the aerospace industry in the coming decades, as well as to meet the national needs in the defense and civilian sectors. DRDO must remain committed to provide the latest technologies and products to our armed forces. It is hoped that in the coming years, DRDO will broaden its working base with many more partners from India and abroad. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, our leading aerospace organization, has evolved into an integrated aerospace organization. Many more companies have also recently entered this field, including the private sector. I expect more will join in the coming years. We want to encourage this trend and would welcome joint ventures, public-private partnerships, and licensed production and the transfer of technology to develop and strengthen our aerospace industry. Self-reliance in the defense sector is our focus area. We want to create a strong defense industrial base in the country. We have put in place a roadmap in the form of defense production policy. We are encouraging our public and private sector industries to become active partners in this endeavor. There are big opportunities for major international aerospace companies to enter into new alliances and forge partnerships with the Indian industry and set up bases in India. Aero India 2013 will showcase the international technologies in the field of military and civil aircraft, avionics and subsystems, radars, etc. in the defense and aerospace sector. Aeroshow will project India's emergence as a fast-growing and attractive market, as well as a key outsourcing hub for global aerospace firms.